I think this driver was pretty freaked out when he almost collided with a truck on the road, and the spilled cement can be easily cleaned off, as long as it does not have time to dry out. The driver of this yellow crane miscalculated a bit. The roadside crumbled, and the crane rolled over on its side. But what amazes me most is the unflappable nature of the person watching from the sidelines. And here's how the barge's launch looks like from the back of a dump truck. I think next to such a loaded dump truck is better not to drive, in case one stone falls. The level of this dump truck driver is pretty high if he can drive up to load like that. This is what body loading looks like on a dump truck. If you know this model of machine, write in the comments. I wanted to study the specification of this machine. First up, we have the LALSHOW, the granddaddy of them all, with a capacity of a staggering 450 metric tons. It's 20.6 meters long, 8.16 meters high, and 9.87 meters wide, making it an absolute behemoth on the road. In this video, we witness a fierce struggle against nature's grip as a brave bulldozer attempts to free a trapped dump truck from a treacherous predicament. As the dump truck's cab precariously dangles in a deep hole while crossing a river, the bulldozer emerges as the valiant hero, armed with determination and a sturdy metal rope. The intensity escalates as the bulldozer puts its might to the test, straining with all its power to pull the trapped truck. The strain causes the back wheels of the bulldozer to lift off the ground, revealing the sheer force of the weight at play. For a dump truck, a pickup like this would not hinder the road. Under the wheels of such a giant, an ordinary car turns into a tin can. This driver seems to have confused real life and the game GTA, deciding to knock down all the cones on the road. And this video reminds me very much of an incredible mission from some movie. An excavator with a mounted jackhammer is dismantling concrete slabs on a bridge, being tied on cables that are held by a crane. It really looks very epic. This driver definitely knows what he's doing. Notice how he sits calmly and imposingly at the wheel despite the fact that his car is raised up. Is it possible that the driver just didn't notice his body was up? If you know or are a dump truck driver, post in the comments. In a remarkable display of teamwork and determination, a video captures a heartwarming moment as one dump truck comes to the rescue of its fallen comrade. The scene unfolds on the side of a road, where an unfortunate dump truck finds itself lying helplessly on its side. But fear not, for the power of solidarity is about to take center stage. This truck driver is impressive in his first straight driving skills. Look how gracefully such a big car entered the turn leading into the tunnel. These nice ladies on the boat were not expecting to see a car that seemed to be a little off track. Probably the navigator was pointing the wrong way. It's a very dangerous turn and maneuver on a narrow road. Look at how the truck's wheel is literally in the air. Estimate the size of this marble block. Imagine its weight when even such a powerful machine cannot handle it. And this video interested me because the driver with the body filled to the brim did not spill a single drop while backing up. By the way, if you know what this substance is, write in the comments. I would be interested to read. When these guys realized they were going the wrong way, they made the decision to reverse. And I wanted to pay tribute to the skill of the driver. Look at how confident he was able to turn his bus around despite the very narrow road and the cliff. This driver decided to do a burnout for better traction on the road, but he forgot that he was in a quarry and not a drag race. Be sure to watch the video to the end. Ahead of you are the monsters among the heavy equipment. I'll show you machines that are the size of a shopping mall. Here is a great example to understand the size of a dump truck. Look how small the man is in front of the wheels. Look at how the big guy is transported. By the way, count how many wheels this trailer has. Write the correct answer in the comments. I believe that the driver of this dump truck is not to blame for this incident. Perhaps there were voids under the ground, and the ground could not withstand the weight of the dump truck and collapsed. Interesting fact, such a giant can carry up to 400 tons at a time. Watch the video to the end, then I will tell you more about such huge machines. These giant dump trucks are some of the largest vehicles on the planet, capable of hauling hundreds of metric tons of material in a single load. Next, we have the Caterpillar, another giant truck with a capacity of 400 metric tons. This beast is 14.5 meters long, 6.52 meters high, and 9.75 meters wide. And let's not forget the Komatsu, a massive dump truck with a capacity of 360 metric tons. It's 15.5 meters long, 7.9 meters high, and 9.7 meters wide. But the giants don't stop there. The Liebherr and Hitachi are also in the running, with capacities of 363 metric tons and 326 metric tons, respectively. These machines are built to handle any job, whether big or small. We can make it better. These guys know exactly what risk is. They decided to load all the sacks at once so they wouldn't have to drive twice, but aren't they afraid that the truck might roll over? I must say, watching that excavator driver perform those stunts is nothing short of mind-blowing. It's astonishing to see the level of control and finesse the driver displayed while operating such a powerful machine. Every move seemed calculated and executed flawlessly, from precise spins and flips to delicate balancing acts. Evidently, this driver has mastered their craft and pushed the boundaries of what an excavator can do. After heavy rains, large gusts of water turned into a river, and this river crosses the roadway with a big current. But the drivers did not stop them and decided to cross this river in their cars. See further what they got out of it. Wow, that truck maneuvering through the tight corner and arch was mesmerizing. The driver's skill and precision were on full display. It's incredible how gracefully the truck navigated such a challenging situation. Kudos to the driver for their exceptional control and spatial awareness. This video is a perfect example of the artistry involved in professional truck driving. Simply impressive. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. On our channel you can find a lot of videos about heavy equipment which is used in different industries. Click on the end screensaver and keep watching.